इंटरनल
ले जाएंगे दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, रह जाएंगे पैसे वाले देखते रह जाएंगे। स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ नहीं अभी तो बस इतनी सारी Go. Anyone behind? Yes.
मैम
गा रहा हूँ इस महफिल में आपकी इनायत है, जो भी है ये जो कुछ भी आपकी मोहब्बत है।
This team. Right, you lose.
हमको हमी से चुरा लो, दिल में कहीं तुम छुपा लो, हम अकेले खो न जाए, दूर तुमसे हो न जाए, पास आओ गले से लगा लो।
Anyone from this side? No? Sir, आप उसमें ऐड हो जाइए।
मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम, जो मैं नाम वाला वही तो बदनाम है। मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है।
हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना कि हम नहीं जानते, मगर भी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना।
ना करते प्यार तुम्ही से कर बैठे, ना करते प्यार तुम्ही से कर बैठे, करना था इनकार मगर इकरार तुम्ही से कर बैठे, ना करते प्यार तुम्ही से कर बैठे।
ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए, ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए, गाना आए या ना आए गाना चाहिए।
This team, yeah. Teachers, can you please come this side and this side? ये रोज थोड़े खाली है।
मेरे वतन के लोगों,
ये रो में
तुम
बैठिए।
खूब लगाओ नारा, ये भारत है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा।
हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
राहों में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई, राहों में उनसे मुलाकात हो गई, जिससे डरते थे वही बात हो गई।
अपना बैग हो गई।
एक दिन बिक जाएंगे माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल, दूजे के होठों को देकर अपने गीत कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से गोल, एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल.
This team.
ಲೋಕವೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತಿದು, ವೇದದ ಸಾರವೇ ಕೇಳಿದು, ನಾಳಿನ ಚಿಂತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಳಬಾರದು, ನಾಳಿನ ಮೂಲವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬಾರದು, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಜಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಬಾರದು.
दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अलीदा पहला नंबर. दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अलीदा पहला नंबर.
चार चिराग
तेरे
बरन
हमेशा.
चार चिराग
भूल गया.
हमेशा. Sure for this row.
बोलो नहीं आता है.
गजल है ये. शाम से आँख में नमी सी है, आज फिर आपकी कमी सी है. शाम से आँख में नमी सी है.
We'll make a small change in the game. I'll pick a word from the last song sung and it will be passed. So for this team, it is Ank.
आँखों में बसे हो तुम, तुम्हें दिल में छुपा लूंगा.
आँखों में बसे हो तुम, मेरे दिल में छुपा लूंगी. आँखों में बसे हो तुम, मेरे दिल में छुपा लूंगी. चाहो तुम,
जब चाह तुम्हें देखूं, आईना बना लूंगी.
The word for the next team is Dil.
हो I'll
Dil.
take ho.
Dil. We
Last
are
is
taking
ho,
team.
no?
No, we are taking a word. Dil.
दिल दीवाना बिन सजना के माने ना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना.
Okay, thank you. We'll have a short change in the program. Please come.
Take the mic.
Yeah. I can just have some announcement. Okay.
What are they supposed to do? Dance.
Hello. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are from Pune Institute of Computer Technology College, and we are here to have our cultural representation in this ACM's program. So first we will have our singing, which will be done by Shravani, and second we will proceed with the semi-classical, which will be done by Swara. Thank you so much.
You need a mic. Shravani.
Hello everyone, I am Shravani from Pune Institute of Computer Technology. Today I am going to perform a Ganpati Vandana, which is in Marathi called as Nandi. So, okay. कालिदास कविराज रचित है कालिदास कविराज रचित है, गानी शाकुंतल रचितो, गानी शाकुंतल रचितो, जाणुनिया अवसान नसे है, जाणुनिया अवसान नसे है, महत्कृत्य भर शिरी घेतो, महत्कृत्य भर शिरी घेतो, पंचतुंड नर रुंड मालधर, पंचतुंड नर रुंड मालधर. ईश्वराचा लेश बलवत कविनी जवा, या न्याये बलवत कविनी जवा, पुष्पी रसिकार्चन करितो, पुष्पी रसिकार्चन करितो, पंचतुंड नर रुंड मालधर, पंचतुंड नर रुंड मालधर, पार्वतीशाधीनमितो, विघ्नवर्गनग भग्न कराय, विघ्नवर्गनग भग्न कराय, विघ्नेश्वर गणपती मगतो, पंचतुंड नर रुंड मालधर, पंचतुंड नर रुंड मालधर. थँक यू.
रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाई,
loud for her, please.
Nice dance.
Wonderful performance, right? Are you missing your students? I miss my students at such instances. Anyone who wants to come and sing? Yes, sir, please. Okay. Huh.
Yeah, so good evening, everyone. I have come here as a presenter as well, so I would be having my presentation tomorrow. And I'm also a Hindustani classical vocalist. Like I've been learning since the last 6-7 years. So something that I just realized seeing them dancing and singing is, and I asked ma'am as well, there's a lot of computational thinking that goes in the background when you are listening to Indian classical music in particular and Western music, like general music notations. So, just to start with, because I could not decide what to sing basically, so I wanted to do it as an activity for everyone because I saw everyone clapping with reference to what time signature of the song was playing. So, time signature is basically kitne beat pe ya kitne taal pe koi particular song baj raha hai, right? So, I would be singing 3 songs, 2 to 3 lines. If you like and if you request, I can sing more, of course, because I love singing. But I'll tell you one aspect of it from the Indian classical music side, that is what is common between these 3 songs, okay? And then you, as math educators, computer educators, CT educators, have to identify the CT aspect in it. And I've given you a hint. And I've given you a hint that it is something related to do with the tal of the song. I hope everyone understands the tal, right? If it's called something else in some other language, please pardon me. Tal is basically the clap or the count that you keep for every song. So that differs from song to song. Okay, so I'll be singing 2 songs first, very popular songs, beautiful songs, based on Rag Yaman. It's a very popular rag in Indian classical music, very basic rag, very popular rag. You have to identify the tal of the song, okay? तुझे संग बैर लगाया ऐसा, तुझे संग बैर लगाया ऐसा, हो रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा, हो रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम, तेरा नाम, मेरा नाम इश्क, ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये बैर इश्क. Okay, this was the first song, Rag Yaman, a specific. Thank you so much. Now the second song, okay? Both are Sanjay Leela Bhansali songs. So both are classical based. Now, isme you have to be a bit more careful about the beat, otherwise I'll falter. Okay? So you have to take care of how the clapping is changing. Then we'll discuss how CT plays in the background. Okay? दर्द के अंधेरों से आ गए उजालों में, दर्द के अंधेरों से आ गए उजालों में, इश्क के चरागों का शुक्रिया. So, what was the difference in the two songs? I think ma'am understood the clapping. So the clapping changes in both the songs. So one song is in 4/4. So you play beat at 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And this particular song is in 3, and then 2, and then 2, and then again it comes at 3. So this is basically the pattern recognition, which we study in CT, right? So you have to, there's a pattern that's repeating, and then you come ahead with the algorithm from there. So when in this particular song, 1, 2, 3 count, then first clap, then 2 counts, then second clap, then 1, 2, 3 count, then third clap. And this keeps repeating as a cycle. And the beauty is, and that is what I was observing, that some of you were able to catch it. Was there any mistake in the way I sung the song, the second song? The people who understood the clapping properly might have understood that I landed a bit earlier than their clap. And that is what I wanted you to understand. So when the pattern goes wrong, everything else ahead goes wrong. This is what we understand in CT, right? So that was intentional. To give an example as to how pattern plays a very important role in computational thinking and how it builds up to the learning process at the nth step. So the clapping would not have stopped after that I took that tan if the tan was on the first clap which you took. But because it was not on the first clap, you had to stop and then again start making the pattern. So this is what that I wanted you to explain, that we all love listening to songs, but especially when we are listening to Indian music, as science people, let us understand the science behind it as well, because this is a very scientific field that we are into as Indians, right? Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Amazing, na teachers? So I must say this was the golden dust that you people are taking along for 3 days long learning program, right?
So I would like you to thank PICT students. They came all the way from Katraj for us. So can we have the girls on stage, please? Come. Short and sweet, right? I hope all of you enjoyed. Yeah. Come, come. You should also join. Come. She taught us CT for clapping, okay? But I'm not going to say that. Okay, so can we just have a round of applause? Thank you so much, girls. Okay, chai is ready. And we will have dinner at 7:30. So that's why I said the games are still open for you to see. We just thought we'll do a short cultural break. You also sing. Anybody else who wants to sing can continue. Come, sir, you want to sing? No. Only we let our students go home. Yeah, so. Okay, very good. Please. We can continue. We are staying here. Teachers, 1 minute, he says singing a song. Excuse me.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. సాంగ్ పాడేసరికి అందరు వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళొద్దు. ఎక్కడో పుట్టి ఎక్కడో పెరిగి ఇక్కడే కలిసాము, చదువులమ్మ చెట్టు నీడలో. విడిపోమంటూ వెళ్ళిపోమంటూ we miss all the fun, we miss all the joy, we miss you. ఎక్కడో పుట్టి ఎక్కడో పెరిగి ఇక్కడే కలిసాము, చదువులమ్మ చెట్టు నీడలో. నెక్స్ట్ ఏ సాంగ్ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్, డాన్స్. దెర్ ఈజ్ నో ఆడియో. వచ్చేస్తాను సార్, మన సాంగ్ కావాలి. భరతనాట్యం సార్.
సాంగ్ ఏ మూవీ సాంగ్
జీన్స్ జీన్స్
జీన్స్
ఆ,
సాంగ్ ఎలా వస్తుంది
ఆ,
పాట
జీన్స్లో జీన్స్ మూవీ సాంగ్స్ అని పెట్టండి.
జెడ్డా జియా
జెడ్
జే ఏది
సార్ వంశీ సార్ ప్లీజ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ డాన్స్ విత్
డాన్స్ చేయాలంట మీరు
నాటు నాటు సాంగ్ నాటు నాటు సాంగ్
నాటు నాటు సాంగ్
ఎస్
ఇంటర్నెట్ లేదే రాలేదు అనుకుంటా సార్ మేడం నాటు నాటు సాంగ్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్ మూవీ సాంగ్ నాట్ 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 ఎన్ఓటి సాంగ్
తమిళ్
తెలుగు
తెలుగు
నాటు కరెక్ట్
పడుకుంటాం
ఇస్ దిస్ కరెక్ట్
పొలం గట్టు దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిత్త దూకినట్టు పొలేరమ్మ జాతరలో పోతరాజు ఊగినట్టు గిర్ర చెప్పులేసుకొని కర్ర సాము చేసినట్టు మర్రి సట్టు నీడలోన కుర్ర గుంపు కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన మిరప దొక్కు కలిపినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీర నాటు 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 ఊర నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా పిచ్చ నాటు 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 పిచ్చు కత్తిలాగా వెర్రి నాటు
Okay, we can all go upstairs for tea.
Madam, inkoటి madam.
To see the games, you can.
భరతనాట్యం
Oh, you closed it. Oh, I was telling
Madam,
you to come down.
భరతనాట్యం సాంగ్
Which one? I don't know. You tell me.
Asians हूँ मेरे यार
शॉपिंग साठी बेस्ट हेलो एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ
ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணணும். இந்த 6 டாட் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணிவிட்டு அதில் வந்து எந்த லெட்டர்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறத அவங்க வந்து டச் பண்ணி பார்த்து ரீட் பண்ணி இங்கே வைக்கணும். இதுதான் நீங்கள் உங்கள் பிரெயில் தெரியாது இல்லையா வாட்டர் இதை இப்படி இது 6 டாட்டு WATER இது சேஃப் பிளேஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் இது வந்து ரைட் பண்ணணும். டி ஹச் என்னது என்னது எர்த் எர்த் திஸ் எர்த் ரைட் இ இது சிக்ஸ் டாட் இ ஏ ஆர் டி ஹச் எர்த் ஓகேவா திஸ் கேம் இஸ் கம்ப்ளீட்டட் this one another game address game okay A to Z opposite direction okay
Yes, you can demonstrate me that.
So and I arrange all the cards in such a way so they have to match pairs having same numbers. Okay, so this game can be played in pairs. Students can play at a time. So in the first round, student one have to pick two cards. If the cards match, they will just touch and touch the number. Okay. And if the number match, they will keep the pair and not match. So then the next other student will get the next card and he will do the same. If the card match, they keep the card, collect it. And if not, they will take it.
You drag from this time.
So the bill card.
Okay, I will toss.
Okay.
So first I will
Pick two cards.
check if it is matching.
You can just
not
close your
matching.
eyes and then
It is not matching. I will put again. Next turn come. Still not matching. So it is same in both the direction.
you have to talk like this. This is
How should I understand it?
you can see that mark. Okay, there is a diamond shape here, and here is a circle.
व्हिज्युअली इम्पेअर्ड मुलांसाठी हे कार्ड्स आहेत हे आपल्याला सायटेडली प्रॉपर्टी ओळखता येतात पण मुलांना ओळखता येतात इथे ब्रेलमध्ये नंबर असतो ॲक्च्युली डायरेक्ट हां तर मुलं जेव्हा टच फील करतील तेव्हा इथे नंबर लिहिलेला आहे ज्या मुलांना नंबर ओळखता येत नाही ते टॅगलाईन्ससाठी मोजता येतात देन इथे हा कोणता टाईपचा हा जर क्लब येतो इथं सी लिहिलेला हा हर्ट येतो इथे एच लिहिलेला तर मुलांना हे कार्ड्स ओळखता येतात आता ह्याच्यावरून लिनियर इक्वेशन आपण कसं शिकवतो तर दोन ग्रुप केले मुलांचे त्या दोन ग्रुपला आपण कार्ड्स घ्यायला लावले दोन दोन कार्ड्स एका ग्रुपकडे हे दोन कार्ड्स आहेत हे दोन आहे आणि हे त्यांनी त्याच्यातून कुठले टू डिजिट नंबर तयार करायचे आता ह्याच्यापासून तयार झाला आहे 25 आणि ह्याच्यापासून 41 और 14 एनिथिंग समजा हा 14 आपण इथे नंबर तर आता इक्वेशन गेम कसा खेळायचा माझ्याकडे एक नंबर आहे तो नंबर दुसऱ्या मुलीने ओळखायचा आहे तो हा नंबर मुलांना हे काढता ह्याच्यात कुठलाही नंबर नाही येत असं मला माहीत नाही आहे की कुठला आता हे जे दोन नंबर त्या दोन नंबरचे ॲडिशन मी दुसऱ्या ग्रुपला सांगणार फर्स्ट ग्रुप दुसऱ्या 25 प्लस 14 25 प्लस 14 इज 39 ही ॲडिशन झाली आता आपल्याला एक्स प्लस आपल्याला लिनियर इक्वेशन वन व्हेरिएबलमध्ये जर शिकवायचं असेल तर एक ॲडिशन सांगितली आणि दुसरं यातला कुठला तरी एक नंबर सांगायचा म्हणजे मी जर सांगितलं की 25 हा नंबर माझ्याकडे येत आहे दुसरा नंबर तुम्ही फाइंड आउट करा तर दुसरा नंबर फाइंड आउट करताना मुलं वेगवेगळ्या स्ट्रॅटर्जीज वापरतात मग ते कसं की हा
तुझा पण कॅमेरा आणतोस का
आणू का?
शूट करून टाकू मग लवकर होईल बेसिकली
एक्स प्लस 25 इज इक्वल हे लिहिलं मग सेकंडली आता एक हे वन व्हेरिएबलचं त्याला दोन व्हेरिएबलचं इक्वेशन शिकायचं अगेन दोन टाईपचे कार्ड्स आहेत दोन कुठले तरी नंबर त्यांनी त्याच्यापासून बनवतात आणि त्यांच्याकडे ट्रेलर असतो किंवा आणि त्या दोन वन व्हेरिएबल आणि
We can manage.
Challenge is over.
5 it is just after 5 it is 6. Okay, and then after 6 it is 7. In such a way we will make them. And then even numbers, odd number, for everything we can use this.
All the things are in the both rail also as well as international. So that it can be used in our inclusive setups also as well as in our client setup also.
So how is supposed to play this?
This is not a game. This is just a
To make them understand
Yes,
this
because,
prepositions.
they can touch each and everything. These are the words can touch. Okay. And then is harmless. We have tactile jumping or tactile having. Okay. So they can eat this. They can have a meal, and as well as the color contrast we used. This for the sighted students. Because some eye is this. It is actually.
थोड़ा बोलो इसके बाद 70 है. How are you feeling? Very good.
I think I am in the space.
You are feeling that you are in the space.
Yeah.
तो 70 का आपको अनुभव कैसा लग रहा है? बढ़िया मतलब?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इससे.
Okay, you are feeling very good. हाँ, अभी ये जीरो ग्रेविटी हो रहा है अभी. हाँ, धीरे धीरे करके आप थोड़ा पीछे जाएंगे. પૂછો ને આમ એટલે કંઈક પૂછો એમ કેવું લાગે છે.
थोड़ा हाँ आगे आके पूछो. यस
हाँ बस
मैम कैसा
खत्म हो गया. अच्छा कैसा रहा मैम एक्सपीरियंस पूरा? क्या देख रहे थे आप?
स्पेस में गए.
अच्छा स्पेस मिशन देखा. तो मतलब बच्चों को मज़ा आएगा कि नहीं आएगा इसमें? आप उतना उनको समझ में ज़्यादा आएगा आपको. राइट. जस्ट कम યાદ છે પાછળ તમારી પાછળ આમ જુઓ પેલે સાઈડ પડ્યું.
Then just puzzles about to arrange. Going to wrong. For that we have to area, square, rectangle, square, and
Will the child be able to do this chess puzzle?
yes.
This is their method.
Yeah, this is up and down is there, no?
Okay, up and down is there.
Up and down is there.
Acha, acha.
Up and down is there. Before that we will touch this. 4 pieces, same area. They have to perimeter. They have to. Eight pieces are there. For circle also we are using this one because we can use angles and everything. And for that parameter they will understand, they can identify the square, angles. This is the Braille script language. Huh? Angle
कुठे मी घेतो एक व्हिडिओ असा ग्रुपचा करायचा
आवाज नव्हता
नाही आवाजाचं ठीक आहे
Usually impaired students. Impaired.
Science subject and maths.
Abstract thinking means whether the changes new substances formed or not. Suppose if the first point is reversible or irreversible, something some children can ask, no, it cannot be reversible. How can we can break it up? Then we have the other point. Whether the change is temporary or permanent, whether a new substance is formed or not. All the key points they have to remember. Three questions they have to ask. Whether there is only a change in the size or shape. So all the thinking skills are involved in this activities. So very students also enjoyed a lot. They understand the concept very clearly. All teaching practically. Students are divided into two groups, and each group are given the real objects. All the objects are given real in the classroom, and all the changes are given in the braille format. This is braille format. This and all they have to find burning of paper, bursting of balloon. This is braille. One person he reads the braille. One boy he take and read the braille. Another one, or suppose he takes bursting of balloon, he must take the balloon and he has to burst the balloon, and then he has to analyze and identify whether it is a physical change or chemical change. Using the concept I have taught in this is the main key points is it irreversible or irreversible, whether the change is reversible, whether the change is temporary or permanent, whether the changes are a change in the size or shape, abstract thinking whether a new substance is formed or not. According to that, he should be classified. If it is a chemical change, he must place this in the respective charts. Then clearly understand the concept of physical changes and chemical changes. And also melting of ice. If at all I give it real objects, from here I give it as a model. They feel and touch and